let's put that out for our viewers. We're talking about the migrant laborers and the train facilities that have been put to their use. Now, the Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba has requested state officials through video conferencing to cooperate in the running of more Shramik special trains to facilitate the movement of the migrant workers. The chairman of the Railway Board, also present in that video conference, has assured that more number of special trains can be started if states provide quick clearances. Madhurima, coming across to you first, because there are certain states who have not been following those norms. Instead, if we are looking especially like the state of Jharkhand and West Bengal, but the latest numbers are out now, Madhurima. Let me just come back to you after I update our viewers on the latest figures that have just been announced on part of the Health Ministry. So India now almost touching the 96,000 mark with 96,169. Those are the total number of cases that have been announced till now, with the active number of cases going up from 53,946 to 56,316. That is a jump that has been seen. Another big jump in the total number of cases. Earlier it was 90,927. This is a jump of almost 6,000 cases that is being reported to 96,169. We were talking about yesterday's being the biggest jump that has been reported. Today is even bigger than that. The number of people who have been cured of COVID-19 has also gone up significantly. Vikram is with us with the latest numbers and more details. Vikram. Vikram, the latest numbers that are out, can you give us the details, please?
Well, Amita, the recoveries have now touching the 37,000 mark, but yesterday the total number of cases was just near 91,000, and now it has crossed the 96,000 mark. So there's been a sharp spike, but this spike was quite expected. But overall, India's doubling rate is just around 13 days, and the doubling rate of the active cases is around 23 days. So, although we would expect a sharp spike over the next 1 week, but this will hopefully stabilize according to what experts believe, because the number of infections is rising, but the mortality rate still remains in control. Going state by state, in Delhi, the total number of infections has crossed the 10,000 mark, and the death toll has risen to 160. Maharashtra, again, a picture of worry. In Maharashtra, total number of cases has crossed 33,000, and the total number of deaths is 2 less than 1,200, so 1,198. In Madhya Pradesh, also significant rise in the number of deaths. The total is 248. And Gujarat, again, continues to be a picture of worry. The total number of cases crossing the 11,300 mark, and the death toll, significant rise, 659. So death toll in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh, 1,198. 659 and 248. West Bengal, the total number of cases have risen to 2677, and the death toll is 238. In Uttar Pradesh, the death toll remains at 104, so no new deaths reported in Uttar Pradesh in the last 24 hours. Punjab, in Rajasthan, the total number of cases has crossed 5,200, and the death toll is at 131. So overall, the areas of concern and the COVID spread in the containment zone and the worst hit cities that include Mumbai, Pune, Indore, Ahmedabad, they're the ones that need to be tested more, and we need to contain the spread of the virus. Overall, the number of cases is rising, but the percentage rise in the daily cases is not much, and the mortality rate is still below 3.2%, which is a good sign, and it could dip further over the next few days. Handing it back to you for the moment.
All right, Vikram, thanks very much. So in the update that we are sharing in the last 24 hours of a mortality rate also that has dipped further to 3.14%. That was yesterday around 3.15%. So going further down to 3.14%. India is keeping that in check. Recovery rate is shooting up. It is right now at 38.29%. And in the last 24 hours, a jump that has been seen of almost more than 5,000 cases, 5,242 to be precise, 157 deaths that have been reported, and 2715 people have recovered successfully from COVID-19. We'll share more details straight white breakup also coming up after a short break, and also we'll be focused